Okay, we've made bread. We've made grilled cheese. We've made bread sticks. It's time to make tomato soup that matches these heavy hitters in status and flavor. Oh yeah, but it's also, guess what? Super easy to get super, soup? Moving on. Wahi, it's a me, non-copyright infringing, lovable Italian carpenter, Flavio. I level up with my level up tomatoes here in the People's Republic of Tomato. It's like the Mushroom Kingdom, but not. The best way to supersize your tomato is to roast them. So we got give or take 3 pounds of plump fresh red roundies, and we're rough chopping 1 to 2 yellow onions and chopping the head off of top of 2 garlicky thingies, just like my arch rival Giuseppe loves. Drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and power up with a hot ham? I don't know, it's like a fire flower, but not cease and desist worthy. Roast them for 25 to 30 minutes at 350 or until they develop a little color and the garlic is golden brown and delicious. I'm running out of vague Mario-esque references and we're not even a minute in. I don't even know why I'm doing this, honestly. While that jazz is smooth and easy listening, let's prep some aromatics, carrots and celery, which are like Yoshi, because I assume Yoshi also smells earthy and delicious. What's next? I'll tell you, it's my job. We got a big old pot on medium heat. Drizzle some olive oil down and get aromantic with the celery, carrots, and a bunch of basil. That's nice. Alright, after a few minutes, it's time to get all our roasted ingredients into the pot so we can fight Donkey Kong or whatever. I don't know anymore. Eep oop, time for soup, am I right? Now we're looking for 3 quarts of no salt added chicken or vegetable stock for our vegan/vegetarian friends. Soup is for everyone, Jerry. You will be stunned. Your knees will buckle. Other Seinfeld quotes. Once it comes to a low boil, it's time to fight the final boss, the powerful Lizard King ruler of the School of Rock himself. That's right, Blender. Blend it up and let it simmer for 2 hours or so till the flavor starts to come together. Just enough time to rescue Prince Tomatoface, who is in fact right in this castle. Good job, found him first try. That's a Mario 1 reference. Alright, all that's left is to plate it up, or bowl it up, I guess? I don't know, that seems weird. But let's garnish it with a little bit of basil. Why not? I don't know. Look at that soup, simmered to perfection like it was made by one of the great soup artisans. Nice, I made it through a whole episode making a ton of Seinfeld and Mario references with absolutely no consequence. Copyright belongs over the door! Beans. Comment what you think my bail should be, and maybe Nintendo and Seinfeld will let me off with a cease and desist. Super Mario is the entire reason I did this whole dumb bit, by the way.